Matuidi, your heart is important. And me know specialist, Dr.
Nicholas Amwa.
Dr. Nicholas Amwa. Where your health is important. Doctor, and never be brain, so by the day, will be have enough time, join us, learn a lot. This is specialist. We need to move work as so you have to listen and learn more. That's my brother. Doctor, and you per se you share and your mama numuntia a memma do na ekoti ketwa. I mean 5 reasons why your manhood is shrinking and now your manhood is keeps shrinking. Doctor Bemaye adikrontia amasa ne ma no to
yo we da say na me chia washefo
aha
ewo edumadi so
sebrofo na afilias twini your day you can mix all together
me do bibia so o she program we na me share bibia so she program na adia ema manhood shrinkene enema bebre na ekoso saade no.
Okay.
Enema bebre ekoso saade no. One of them here say obesity.
Obesity. Why you grow food, then you go down and explain then obesity for us.
Obesity just say obi a waye kese oye ni pakese.
Okay.
Ni pakese obesity. So oye kese sa na ema obema no esote. Because one say blood supply to the penis no.
Okay.
It makes the penis, it keeps the penis in shape. What I say? And so oye kese bro so fat no I won hunam no. E better by say bia udi too much fat. What I say? Udi nyoma adwani bi so udi. Enti ema blockages arteries no mo.
Okay.
And if the heart pumps blood to the penis during erection, I be blockade. And with that no, I be cause the penis to lose size.
Okay. I am a doctor. My terms now we use no. What say? What can be now the blood we be share one year. This I repeat to my baby.
But let me say obesity. Echo say what your penis to reduce in size.
Okay.
And it say ho.
Now oh ye kese
broso.
Okay.
It could be a very severe or fat na or blood system or blood no. Fat na blockade arteries no.
Okay.
Arteries here.
Arteries.
I can say huma your nipaduma moja
enam. That's we call arteries.
Arteries. Into your veins or
arteries.
And if the blood pumps blood through those arteries now, because of fat now, ayo ama o body no more adults no ntino. Ebe blockade. Kwai na
ka say moja ni timi fam e makote ni nyase de open.
Nyase de open. Moja ni timi fam enko ho.
Okay.
It is ebe reduce size of your penis.
Okay.
Because the blood supply to your penis no is limited. So it will reduce shape.
Doctor Radio who continue but now saying obi ma me message and was say obof blofundi na me refi or say but ni twi mo che na say ne cotton on emoja na e wo say e ba ne cotton na cotton ni timi blem but eyem remember emoja ni ntimi emma no na ase cotton na bobom pumpunya me nim say de me kan em ya pa ase man tranto o say cotton no e ba cotton ni me say cotton no say cotton no e pese blem no entimi nya den but we say cotton na blem but entimi nya den o say moja no ntimi o kan ne brofo ba me ref
Moja ni timi
ntimi mfro nti cotton ntimi nya den but aye bogobogo.
Yes, because it's not only obesity.
Okay, go on.
And it causes shrinking of the penis no.
Okay.
Sometimes condition like gonorrhea.
Condition like
gonorrhea it means what cause penis to shrink. Okay. In the sense that
okay.
It's very very important. Say anapebia and asanadubia yada kwa yakotis original. It keeps it function.
Yes.
What I say is very very normal. But say gonorrhea yi ewa osua.
Okay.
Because plants. What I say?
So gonorrhea was what?
Because plants in your reproductive system.
Okay.
What I say? And if say basan so na the blood supply to the area no is limited.
Okay.
Ahonde also e call homa continue so region no.
Enya
sa ahonde no.
Doctor, so nurse o kan sisu dua say gonorrhea betimi amanipa kro na o say blood entimi through.
Yes, yes sir.
Abusia form fight me little advert. Your gonorrhea dro doctor minim so say specialist with gonorrhea ho part we be part we be she that ka ho asem ankasa. E no de o person ya me she da mo aba no akwa ko hu no. We are very specialist and obetimi test blood group and me say agogo hospital ye be you obi afri agogo hospital. Yeah, we are go hospital. And na bet na problems. And yes, the doctor nyame cha so abeken ho. But me can so ye be ma wo yare prostate and say STD gonorrhea na wadawroma. Framing. Mesa o yare ama. We natural herbs. Doctor so ho, doctor wo nyama bebrebe or ni clinic ni be but we specialist doctor more injection in nyama bebrebe or we can advise you or anything and on the ebe mo ahye dai den aba ne nchen e wasante atwa hospital na doctor nya atimi ahwe special doctor you continue shrinking penis
and now I think so taking a lot of alcohol.
Wow.
Yes.
Hey,
too much of alcohol.
Too much of alcohol can shrink your penis.
Yes. And then most of the times also surgery of prostate cancer. Surgery
of prostate cancer.
And so people prostate cancer you surgery. And now say treatment of prostate cancer. Say your your chemotherapy, your radiotherapy. These things act on the hormones. What I say? Chemotherapy na kwese ade de chemical and the
cure prostate
and the radiotherapy and also what you go. These things act on your hormones. Your hormones be animal cause testosterone. What I say? And then act once as man who grow no or prostate no grow.
Yes.
What I say? And this is also lead to testosterone to play major role in the prostate.
Okay.
It is a radiotherapy way, chemotherapy way, and a carbon treat where you subako, whichever way be.
Okay, the farmer.
It is an animal we know, a cause effect on the hormones.
Okay.
What I say? On your reproductive system. Okay. And if these hormones destroy definitely
your joystick gonna
string.
Doctor, my baby, me pese me busa one question we. Me wo prostate do any pedi ho dance e po bitimi nom na week rubber na ye fini be mu.
Yeah.
But me pese me busa say abrofo de no etimi kill prostate ne kra na say mentiase kakra ho.
Prostate cancer is not curable.
It's not curable.
Yeah, but one way in Adam. See those kasi wardrobe 1 week.
It means you me wa dance for bebre or platform we say so.
Yes.
Omo mo hwe ya.
Yes. On the Africans no. We have this kind of knowledge a bit more play in how they call it health worldwide, but because of 1 or 2 reasons in number for no like you don't get the access so big fans will be on your AC broken and service you.
Yes.
Because of South African those people will not accept it.
But doctor, who wo kakra ye time na ya bread but me bisa one question. Adan na abrofo no omunyi ye nyema bi a eye djuma entum because prostate say me ma kwan ya nipa betimi afre platform yi so. Minim ba bia we say meji din kura awura no eye pani bi fi a wo wodin pa oso pese oso me nsa de me chia the whole Ghana mo mu say prostate adu e den e wo ho. So, but doctor adan na de ne ye djuma but abrofo no pese ye beji atum.
And then I say you on my asem kase pa
you think it's and also a part of your leaders now as in your leaders?
Yeah, it's also part of because I believe say if government should come or whom say be say na say or some na say like or pushy forward with other leaders now, I think say it will be very what do you call it a bit hold water. People will buy the idea and stuff like that. You know? But even if you go to the Ministry of Health and these people they will not even give you the space.
People say pe bra ye
easy. So medicine not work on. I don't doubt you because meaning say a bit my because prostate na nkasa no a gland beer is between the bladder and the
Yebeka no wasem. Abusiafo said any doctor asese no yes ye ma ne nyetintin bebre na wani aha. Enti we part 1 of why your manhood is shrinking. We will give you part 2. Even if you're supposed to go to part 5, we will give it to you. Doctor, your last words.
I can the way meet my can say obi antwe ne musu yi na the lifestyle is very, very important. Reduce a lot of things and then you are good to go.
Thank you. Ana na me dimu sie onyame pa. Me sane doctor ebetena se na yedi nkomo. Bye bye.